Hey, welcome back. Biblical Geography Lecture 16, our second part here over our map. This is the one we had last week. So Brother Ron's going to zoom in on this portion here, this kind of section. And hopefully my face isn't too hideous for you up close, but here we go. Now you're going to be able to read these, or maybe not, but just kind of, again, this is the Mediterranean Sea. This is, what sea?
The Red Sea.
Red Sea. What river is draining out of this Mediterranean Sea?
Nile.
Nile, okay. And then we have a big country here. It's called Egypt. Egypt, yeah, the continent of Africa, right. This desert is called, and if you know it, if you can read it, don't just read it, try and guess. Sahara Desert. Okay, then we just saw in our studies there a big city here by the Nile called Alexandria, Egypt. There's an island out here in the Med called Cyprus. These will be blown up. I got on the backside. This whole section will be blown up on the backside. Israel is right here. So we have the what sea? The bottom of the Jordan River. The Dead Sea. Jordan River keeps going up. We got the Sea of Galilee. And it goes up. These, I'm going to leave these cities for the other side, if you don't mind. Same with, I'll just tell you what they are. Beirut, Sidon, Tyre, Joppa, Ashdod, Gaza, Beersheba, Jerusalem. Just so you can see those. Now this wilderness is called the Wilderness of Zin. This peninsula right in here with Egypt, this peninsula, which I don't know if that's to scale or not, but it's called the Sinai Peninsula. City right around here called Ezion Geber. Three big sections of territory outside of Israel called Edom, Moab, Ammon. Jordan's in this, the modern day Jordan's here, modern day Syria up here. Damascus there. Okay, let's move on to the other half in a way. Black Sea right here. I'm not going to quiz you on the Caspian or the Black Sea. So if you can get on to this section here, brother. Get my arm out of the way. Still keep the light on it. So you got Iran, of course you can read these. Iraq, Iran, modern day. Iran, Iraq. What desert is this?
Arabian.
The Arabian Desert. And this is a big country called Saudi Arabia. To do it this way. Okay. Then we have two main rivers. Okay, hopefully you can see those. This one on this side is called the Euphrates River, and this is the Tigris River. Jonah, city here. Not his city, but called Nineveh. Way up the Tigris, Nineveh. Then down the Tigris a bit is the famous city of Saddam Hussein called Baghdad. You cross over, I don't know if it's 20 miles, how far it is, and you're in Babylon, at least back then. A little bit further down, Urusk and Ur. Mount Ararat. Ararat. Arafat?
Ararat.
Ararat, okay. Arafat is the leader.
Yeah.
Who's dead?
Who's dead?
Who was the leader, yeah. Then Arabian Sea. The what Gulf? Persian Gulf that these drain into. UAE.
Emirates.
Little section here, Kuwait. And this is Qatar and Bahrain. Forgot two things. Two Gulfs here. Oh, that I mentioned. Okay, so now, this is hard. We go to the other side. My new map.
Oh.
Wow, fancy.
Yeah, but you can't really see it from there. But best we can do right now, instead of having 16 different maps that are big. But I'll work on this, but this is the main thing. So we're going to have a test in 3 or 4 weeks on these maps. I'll explain it to you more as we get closer. We're getting closer. That's all right. Just relax. It's okay. If we're not ready, we won't have it. So this is the Mediterranean Sea. So it's blown up from right here. Sorry, Ron. Messed you up there. So let's look at Israel. There you go. I know what I can do. Just stay right where you are. Come on. My arm's getting tired. So we're going to go on this side right now, down at the bottom. So let's go with this. Here's Mediterranean Sea, and then we round the corner here of Israel. And we got Egypt over here, and we've got the big city of Alexandria, with what river coming out of her?
Nile.
Nile. And modern day Cairo, Egypt is here. Then we have this, I don't know what river it is, flowing into what's called the Suez Canal, into this is, I should fill this in with blue, because it's not two rivers, sorry. This is a Gulf of Suez, this is called today. In between these two gulfs, this is the Gulf of Aqaba? Agua? Aqaba.
It's the Gulf of Water.
That's Sinai Peninsula. Okay, let's get to our cities. Cities in Israel. Key ones. So what I want you to do is just kind of memorize where they are in relation to the Dead Sea and the Sea of Galilee. That'll help you. And they're either going to be on the coast or on this half. So you just kind of think it out. On a test, it's going to be a dot with, you figure out the name. It's not going to be just all these dots and you figure out all the names. It won't be that way at all. But I'll give you more information as we go on. Kadesh Barnea. Let's think of that south, way south. Beersheba. Here's Jerusalem. Jerusalem's at the top of the Dead Sea, but over. So below Jerusalem you got Bethany and Bethlehem. And you got Bethel. So you got Jerusalem, it goes Bethel, Bethany, Bethlehem. Don't get those mixed up, because on the test it's going to matter. Right along the Dead Sea is En Gedi, but it's En Gedi, really how it's pronounced. At the bottom of the Dead Sea is a city called Zoar. These are the main cities I got. There's all the little ones, but these are the main ones. Okay, then we get back up here by Bethel, and Jericho's near the top of the Dead Sea, Jericho. Shiloh, Shechem, Megiddo, Nazareth. Okay, let's go over to the Sea of Galilee. And what river is this? The Jordan River. So we got on the top of the Sea of Galilee, we got Capernaum and Bethsaida. Up the top is the furthest north territory, the city of Dan. Next to it is the city of Steve, and down there is Bill. Up in the corner, Syria is Damascus. Ramoth Gilead down here. Jabesh Gilead. Ramoth, way out there. Jabesh Gilead, right along the Jordan River. Modern day Amman, Jordan. How'd they get the name Ammon? Ammon, Moab, Edom. I don't know if you got that in the map, but I did that. Desert here, Syro-Arabian Desert. Thank you.